Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check all the saved Wi-Fi password on your laptop or your PC. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the command promote and run it as administrator. Once you do that, here in this prompt section, you need to write net sh space WLAN space show profile. And once you profiles, it's profiles. Once you do that, you can see all the connected devices are appeared right here. Now here, all you need to do is to just simply write this statement again and add a name in front of it is equals to, and under the double quotes you need to write the name of the Wi-Fi that you want to check. For example, let's say if I check Adarsh's iPhone. Once I do that and hit enter, maybe there's some issue. Let me check it once again. Yes, in this section you need to add a space also and write key is equals to clear. Once you do that and hit enter, once you do that, you can see all the details of that particular name Wi-Fi, and you can see the password over here which says key content, and here you can check the password of that particular Wi-Fi. So by this method, you can easily check the Wi-Fi password for all the connected connections on your device. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.